Right now we're at the 2013 shoot list for the new fireworks, new Time Bandit Fireworks and new Fireworks Supermarkets Fireworks. All the dealers are here. They're looking at what they get to buy, and they're going to buy all Time Bandit this year. Right, guys?
Good stuff. Yeah.
We start with the small fireworks, and then we get with bigger and bigger and bigger. So you start out with little ones that shoot 4 feet, then they go up to 200 grams, then they go 500 grams, and that's when you get the punch. Oh, here we go. Oh, here we go. This is going to be a good one. Yeah, there we go. Look at that. See, that's awesome. That's wicked, dude. That's 200 grams of... Wow.
That was great. That just rocked us.
Wow. My whole life I never thought I was judging fireworks. Had to learn what brocade is, what glitter is, what gold shot is, coverage, screaming fit, you name it.
Wow. That's just one. Yeah, dude. That's amazing. No way. Yeah.
Wow, night light. There we go. It looks small at first. Oh yeah. Going up the sky. Going up the sky. Oh yeah.